Hey, it's Natalie. I hope that you are well. If you have a middle or high school student and college admission feels overwhelming, I want to leave you with one simple thought today. Control the controllables. I think one of the biggest mistakes that families make is spending so much time worrying about things that they cannot control. In terms of college admissions for homeschooled students, what colleges might change next year, or who else is applying, or admission rates are dropping, test optional policies, test blind policies, or even what another homeschool family's student is doing. A lot of time spent on those uncontrollables. So we want to talk about controlling what you can control. And those things that you might feel are of interest, the uncontrollables, they draw you. Those things are real, but they are not where I think you should spend your energy. Instead, I would suggest to ask yourself a few questions. Is your student, or you're asking yourself, so you're saying, is my student building a strong academic foundation? Are they pursuing meaningful activities they genuinely enjoy? Are they developing good writing and communication skills? Are they learning how to make thoughtful decisions about their future? Are we creating a high school plan that actually fits our family and our student? Those are the things you can control. Those are what I call the controllables. So I've homeschooled 5 children all the way to college. 4 have finished college, and I have a rising sophomore. We homeschooled 23 years, and now I'm here helping others. And because I've homeschooled the 5 kids to college, one lesson that I have learned throughout that whole journey is that there is no perfect transcript, there's no perfect activity list, and there's no perfect college plan. What I do know is colleges want to see in a student, they want to see if that student has taken advantage of the opportunities available to them, and if they can demonstrate growth, curiosity, and purpose. Now, across the vast homeschool world, opportunities vary in terms of what's available in one community and what's available in another. Colleges look into that. They see where you live. They have your students' information, and they know that you are homeschooling your student, or the student is a homeschooled student. So they know that the student may or may not have access to the same things that a brick and mortar school might offer. And so you are going down the path of wondering, how do I do this, right? And what opportunities are available for my student, right? But these are the things you can control with what is available in your community, what your student has access to, and what your student has taken advantage of, that can demonstrate that they are on fire with learning, that they know who they are, and they're passionate about things, and they have purpose in their life, right? So don't compare your student's journey to someone else's student. Instead, I suggest you focus on making wise decisions one step at a time, one step at a time. And that's exactly why I created my high school decisions boot camp, to help families like you, and at one point like me, understand the decisions that actually matter, and you avoid wasting time stressing over the ones that don't matter, the things that you can't control. If that sounds like something you need, I'll drop the link in the comments for the boot camp. Or you can go to my website, which is Natalie, Natalie -Mack.com. And we will be able to come alongside you and help you. I'm super excited. I love and I'm passionate about serving my fellow homeschool community. I don't have all the answers, but I have enough of them over 23 years to be able to support you. And I would love to see you in that high school decisions boot camp. So control the controllables and let your students' unique story become their greatest strength. I see you soon.